Good morning, my fellow colleagues here at CPC. I am Noria Salty, attached to the Annai Center. Today I'll be discussing on heat transfer and the methods of the second law of thermodynamics. First of all, according to my research, heat transfer is the movement of heat energy from a hot object to a cooler object. It plays an important role in our everyday life, especially in cooking, weather changes, and the use of appliances. For example, when a hot cup of coffee is left on a table, it gradually cools down because heat is transferred from the tea to the surrounding area or the air. And now there are three main types or methods of heat transfer. The first one, number one, we have conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat through direct contact between particles, usually in solids. Now, for example, a metal spoon becoming hot when placed in a cup of hot tea. Convection. Number two, we have convection. Convection is the transfer of movement of heat through liquid or gases. For example, boiling water in a pot. This demonstrates how heat is transferred through the movement of fluids. And the last one, number three, we have is radiation. Radiation is the transfer of heat in the form of waves and does not require a medium. This means heat can travel through empty spaces. For example, heat from the sun reaching to the earth. This shows heat can be transferred even without direct contact or a medium. For example, let's say I go in the sun, so without touching the sun or without me reaching and putting my hands up to touch the sun, I can feel the sun. That's what is radiation. And the second law of thermodynamics states that heat energy naturally flows from a hotter object to a cooler object and not in the opposite direction. For example, a hot cup of tea. A hot cup of tea cools down over time. This law helps us understand why certain processes in nature occur in one direction. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for listening. That's all that I have based on my research.